In this video, we are demonstrating how to set up and use the Google Authenticator mobile app for multi-factor authentication, also known as MFA. Setting up Google Authenticator. In your web browser, find the address bar and enter the URL account.wsu.edu. You will then be directed to the WSU login page, where you can confirm your WSU credentials. After you verify your WSU credentials and complete the initial sign-in process on the WSU login page, you'll be directed to the Account Settings page, where you can manage settings such as your password, personal information, and MFA methods. On the Account Settings page, find the Security Methods heading and select the Manage Security Methods button. On the Security Methods page, find the Google Authenticator option and select the Setup button. You will then be directed to the WSU login page, where you'll be prompted to complete the sign-in process again to confirm the changes you are making to your security method settings. After you complete the additional sign-in process on the WSU login page, find the Setup Security Methods heading, then find and select the Google Authenticator Setup button. You will then be provided instructions for accessing the Google Authenticator app on a mobile device, along with a QR code for connecting the app to your WSU account. After you download and open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device, you will be directed to the Stronger Security with Google Authenticator screen that introduces the app's purpose. On the Stronger Security with Google Authenticator screen, select the Get Started button. Next, you will be directed to the Welcome to Google Authenticator screen that prompts you to connect the app with an existing Google account or continue without an account. After you select to connect an existing Google account or continue without an account, you will be directed to the Google Authenticator app homepage. On this homepage, find and select the Plus button. Since we were provided the QR code earlier, select the Scan a QR Code button. You will then receive a notification informing you that Google Authenticator would like to access the camera on your mobile device to scan the QR code. To scan the QR code, select the Allow button. Your camera will then open within the Google Authenticator app. Use your mobile device to scan the QR code that appears on your desktop browser. You will then be directed to the Google Authenticator app homepage again, where you will find your WSU email address and a 6-digit code. Now return to your web browser and select the Next button. Find the Enter Code field, enter the 6-digit code that appears on the Google Authenticator app, and select the Verify button. Now that you've successfully activated Google Authenticator, you're ready to use the app to sign in to your WSU account and complete MFA. Using Google Authenticator for MFA. On the WSU login page, find the Sign In heading and select the Username field. In the Username field, enter your WSU username and select the Next button. You'll be directed to the Verify It's You with a Security Method screen, where you can select to verify any of the security methods you have enabled for your WSU account. On the Verify It's You with a Security Method screen, select the Password button. In the Password field, enter your WSU password and select the Verify button. Next, find and select the Google Authenticator button. On your mobile device, open the Google Authenticator app. Now, in the Enter Code field on your web browser, enter the 6-digit code that appears in the Google Authenticator app. Please be aware that this is a time-based one-time code that generates every 30 seconds. Please be sure to give yourself enough time to retrieve and enter the code before it regenerates. When you enter your 6-digit code, select the Verify button. After verifying your code, you will be automatically signed in to the WSU website you are attempting to access. In our case, we are accessing the Account Settings page. Information Technology Services logo.